Hey, we're at PhotoCon showing off the entire lineup for Fujifilm, including the X series and the GFX series. Right now we're showing the X-T30, our newly launched smaller sibling to the X-T3 with the new 16 2.8 weather-resistant lens. Small, it's fast to focus, it's incredibly sharp. It's a great travel combination. We also have the X-T3, weather-sealed DCI 4K at 60p, and on it is the 8-16 2.8 red badge XF lens. It's weather sealed, nano coated, it's incredibly sharp, so this is a great combination for your ultra wide angle shots. So we've got the whole GFX lineup here, the GFX 50S and the newer 50R, 51.4 megapixels, a 33 by 44 millimeter sensor, so substantially larger than most of the cameras you'll come across. The entire lineup is weather sealed. It's designed to be a medium format system that can leave the studio and go out into the real world and be used for landscape, travel, event photography. It's in incredible image quality. It's clean, up to 6400 ISO, so you can shoot it in low light environments. We have 8 lenses for it right now, anywhere from the 23 f4 is going to be our widest, up to the 250 millimeter f4, which will be our longest lens. We're also showing off the new 100 to 200 5.6, which does work with the 1.4 teleconverter, so it gives you a great medium telephoto lens for your landscape or portrait work. So we've got the entire lineup here, from the 2 GFX bodies and the 8 lenses to all of the X series lenses, closing in around 30 of them now, and all of the bodies, anywhere from your cinema powerhouse to your small, discreet, travel-friendly cameras. We have an entire lineup of cameras that are extremely diverse, useful in a lot of different situations. So, whatever you're shooting, we probably have something that can facilitate that.